Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Today I'm going to be doing a triptych Dutch pour. I've also changed the direction of my camera. Instead of having a bird's eye view, I moved it over to the side. So I'm hoping this will be a better view of the canvas and you guys also get a view of my really cluttered desk over here. But that's alright. We're just going to go with it. The colors I'm going to use today were actually colors my boyfriend suggested. So we have a Prussian blue, I have a light olive green, and I also have silver. So I've already got the white background on the canvas, and I think what I'm going to do is do a diagonal kind of up this way, and then we'll see how we're going to blow it out once I get the paint down. First, this Prussian blue. I wish these were in squeeze bottles. Squeeze bottles are so much easier to control, but that's all right. We can manage. I think I might put a little bit more down because I kind of want this to be the main color. And now for the light olive green. This is such a pretty color. I don't really work with greens that much, but this is actually really pretty. I might have to start working more with these. All right. And then last, the silver. Just a little bit, give it some metallic sheen in there. All right, so now I'm gonna pour the white down and blow that over the colors. Gosh, it's so hot in my studio today. We're having this heat wave in North Carolina. I think it's supposed to get up to like, is it 74 today? I don't know, it's something ridiculous for it to be January. All right, wipe my hands off, and now I'm gonna blow the white over the colors. So now looking at this, I think what I'm gonna do is start here and I'm gonna blow this part down and then alternating up and down. So we're gonna see how that goes. Let's see. Not 100% happy with it. I don't think I put enough paint down, which is surprising because I thought that I did, but was. It was just hiding. All right. I think there are going to be some parts that I'm going to blow out with my straw. Let's see. I sometimes can get really carried away and blow out a little too much, so I'm trying not to do that. Alright, I think that looks really cool. I don't want to do too much to it. I kind of want to do something right here, so I might do that. If I think about it a little bit longer, I might change that up a little bit. But other than that, I think it looks really cool. I do like the green. It's a little different than what I'm used to, but I think it's a really cool contrast against the blue. I'm going to separate them a little bit so we can see how they look. Separate it a bit. And I think I'm going to torch it maybe a little bit just to see what pops up. I didn't use any silicone, so probably not many cells are going to pop up. Where is my torch? Oh, there it is. All right. Very cool. I think we're done with this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or questions or would like to see me do any type of painting, please let me know. I appreciate all feedback, and I will see you guys next time.